Chicken, don't you think the other day I was out with a friend and he said, you have a double chin? Well, I'm going to show you the best exercises for stretching, mobilization, and massage therapy to remove the double chin. Goodbye, double chin. So let's start with the first exercise to remove the double chin. The name of the exercise is known as Kiss to the Sky, which allows for easy visualization. When you begin performing it, you will experience its incredible sensation. Stretch the shoulders a bit, let the arms hang down to relieve tension, maintaining the meaning. And start stretching the head a little. First here. Make sure you are comfortable and stable, take care of your back, and ensure adequate support. And from there, press your lips together, locking them for 5 seconds. Take a moment to unwind, adjust your neck to avoid strain, and ready yourself once more, alright? Let's give it another go and soar towards the heavens with a kiss. If you notice, when we do this, see how it pulls, right? Check out its pulling ability. The advantages we will gain are phenomenal. Greater skin elasticity. In addition, it helps in strengthening and firming the muscles in the neck area. Okay? So, very good. The first exercise we are going to do of Kiss to the Sky. How many times are we going to do it? 15 repetitions. We are going to try to do it once every single day. At the beginning, it will be a bit hard, but repeat, and it will get easier over time. We will start doing it every other day. How much time will it take? 4 or 5 weeks minimum. Second exercise we are going to do, also stretching the neck, called the potato sack. Isn't the volume striking? The emotion it evokes is so palpable. So what are we going to do? We will stretch, but with the tongue. First, let's position the body. Take a moment to relax and open up your shoulders like you did before. Stretch the neck, and once here, the tongue goes to the palate. Behind the teeth, a little bit higher up. Obviously, I cannot display it, but it's right here, alright? We position it close. But being here. We hold for 5 seconds. Relax. Slightly part your lips and bring them down a bit. Shall we repeat the action one more time? Remember, the tongue must be pressed and pointing. And notice how this part of the neck stretches. The part we will focus on here is the firmness. It will require a lot of effort and dedication in order to achieve toning. The neck muscles are greatly affected, including the more superficial muscles as well. How much longer will we continue doing this? Well, you see, we are going to do it. 15 repetitions. Remember, you need to hold your tongue for 5 seconds. Then you take a break and repeat the process 15 times faithfully, ensuring you do it every day. Then every other day and 4 or 5 weeks at least. A double chin, also called submental fat, is fat under the jaw and neck area that accumulates. It usually happens due to excess weight gain. It can be caused by a range of different factors, such as excessive accumulation of fat, diminished elasticity of the skin, the natural process of aging, and taking on poor posture. The impact of it is not only physical, but also emotional, possibly leading to diminished self-confidence in individuals. It can be prevented and treated through these exercises, good posture habits, a healthy diet, and specific skincare routines. With the exercises we are currently doing, our aim is to improve. Toning and activating the platysma muscle can be achieved by positioning my neck here, as if it were in that particular spot, allowing you to visibly observe the results. All this area here, down. This is one of the muscles we are working on. In our upcoming exercise, we will reverse our direction and move upwards. Apologies for the confusion, but we will eventually move downwards. To achieve chin retraction for double chin reduction, it's crucial to employ the right technique. The method we use focuses on allowing the double chin to drop slightly. Would you agree to follow this approach? We relax a little bit, let it drop, and when we are down here, to properly examine, we elevate the upper lids and direct our gaze slightly upwards. Here. Okay? Be careful not to strain the neck, but we are here, retracting. But however, looking slightly upward, we maintain the position for a duration of 5 seconds. Relax and return to position. And this exercise, okay? Here, we don't stay like this. We position ourselves well, downwards, okay? And now, look a little bit upwards, okay? To activate the muscles. You will repeat this approximately, well, not approximately, sorry, 15 times, okay? And we will do it twice a day. It is recommended to perform this exercise in the morning and at night, consistently every day. Eventually, transition to doing it every other day. What are the advantages gained from engaging in this physical activity? Well, it will increase blood flow, And by increasing blood flow, initially, what we are going to do is to help a little bit so that the fat at least starts to move, and we can try to make it gradually disappear, right? To mobilize it a little. We will also tone the muscles of the neck and define the jawline a bit more, making it a very beneficial exercise for the double chin. The next exercise that we are going to do is very simple. In this case, it is stretching the tongue but outside. You probably remember as kids being told to see if you could touch your nose. Well, this is what we need to do, okay? Stick out your tongue a little bit. I can't reach. Stretch it. And in this way, I will position myself a bit here so you can see me. My neck muscles are tight and I am working on loosening them up of the neck. We can do it for 5 seconds right here. And we will do it 15 times as well. You can do it in the morning and at night every day. What is the name of the upcoming exercise we will be doing? The chewer. But the chewer, as we were always told as kids, has to open the mouth, okay? So that the food doesn't fall out. Well then, let's close our little mouth, okay? And we are going to do the chewing exercise for about 1 minute. The exercise would be like this. Okay? You see the exercise? We will repeat it for 1 minute as well. In the morning and also at night. Every day. Chewing is an excellent way to improve blood circulation since it keeps us moving constantly. Consider how effective it is for mobilizing our bodies and enhancing our overall health. Blood circulation, perfect. We have toned, we have stretched, and now we are going to move the skin and also mobilize the fat. Okay? How are we going to do it? First, a little oil, okay? We are going to put a bit on the hand. Because we are going to do it, listen here, with our knuckles, okay? A knuckle massage treatment, okay? Here we place a little bit. Please exercise caution when massaging the Adam's apple. Position your fingers here and gently move them slightly upwards. Is that clear? There. In the middle first, then a bit outside. Be careful not to press outside, okay? Be careful not to press the Adam's apple like this. And how long are we going to do this? Well, about 2-3 minutes every day. There also. The massage is very pleasant, okay? With the knuckles, you can massage a bit. Always be cautious when lifting one another, ensuring the safety of all involved. So, this massage is perfect for moving fat around. I hope that with all these techniques, we have helped you say goodbye to your double chin. And also, as always, until you are fully healed and beyond that.